In this video, let me show you how to fix Google Meet cannot join. So if you're trying to join a Google Meet and if you're having issues, the first thing that you need to ensure in these situations is if you're using the correct Google account. If you see an option while trying to join, such as you cannot join this meeting or it says ask to join, this may be the issue because you are using a different Google account. So try to ensure that you are using the correct Google account. Also, if you're trying to enter the meeting using the code, make sure that you enter the code exactly. The code must be at least 10 characters, so make sure you are entering it correctly. Now, if this is not the case for you and if you're still having issues with it, the other thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. So just tap and hold the app of Meet, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to data, head over to storage, and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you do this step, again try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, what you'll also need to ensure is that your system clock is aligned. So if the clock on your device or on your phone is showing a different time, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So just head over to the settings on your device and make sure you align your clock. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. The last thing that you can try out is try to toggle on and toggle off the airplane mode on your device, as well as restart your phone. So once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix the Google Meet cannot join error. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.